Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your HP Victus 16 gaming laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 16GB DDR5 RAM module, designed for models like the 16, R0097NR, 16, S0097NR, and 16T S000. If you've been noticing some sluggishness, especially when running demanding games or multitasking with several applications, then upgrading your RAM is often the most cost-effective solution. This ATEC module is a single 16GB stick, utilizing the DDR5 SODIMM form factor with 262 pins. One of the key things to note is its speed. It's rated for up to 5,600 MHz, which falls under the PC 5-44800 or PC 5-5600B specification. However, it's important to check your specific HP Victus 16 model's CPU capabilities. Some models might run this RAM at slightly lower speeds, such as 5,200 MHz or 4,800 MHz, due to processor limitations. Even at those slightly reduced speeds, you're still getting a significant performance bump over slower RAM. This is an NONECC unbuffered module, adhering to the JEDEC DDR5 standard of 1.1V. What does this all mean in practice? It means that by adding this ATEC RAM, you're expanding your system's available memory resources. This translates to improved performance, fewer bottlenecks, and an increased capacity to handle heavier workloads. Think smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and the ability to run more programs simultaneously without experiencing frustrating slowdowns. Installation is designed to be quick and easy, something you can do at home without needing any specialized technical skills. ATEC encourages you to refer to your laptop's manual for specific instructions on seating the RAM module and understanding the channel configuration for optimal performance. ATEC also emphasizes the quality control that goes into their memory modules. They undergo stringent testing to ensure dependable and reliable performance. This is further backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they have a knowledgeable tech team available to assist you both before and after your purchase, should you have any questions or run into any issues. In conclusion, the ATEC 16GB DDR5 RAM module appears to be a solid upgrade option for compatible HP Victus 16 gaming laptops. It offers a significant boost in memory capacity and speed, potentially leading to noticeable improvements in overall system performance. The easy installation process and the backing of a lifetime warranty make it a compelling choice for gamers and power users looking to enhance their laptop's capabilities. Just be sure to double-check your specific model's compatibility and CPU limitations to ensure you're getting the most out of this upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.